everyone, my name is Dhruv Solanki. Today we're gonna make paper boat. There are too much of study. Let's make paper boat. We need square shape paper. You can take any color. Now we have to fold like this. Do you know square have 4 equal sides? Now, like this. Now it is again square shape. Now you can see 4 pieces. Now we have to fold the one piece right like this. The other 3 pieces like this. So press a little bit right here. And now do it like this. Now is again square shape.